What's up guys, and welcome to the 15th tutorial of programming in Java using Eclipse. And in this tutorial it's all about the continue keyword. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing you gotta do is go to the SRC package, right click this, go to new, and then make a class. Call this class test. Again, tick this and press finish. And now we can remove this garbage and type in something. But before we type in anything, we can just explain what is the continue keyword. So the continue keyword can be used in any of the loop control structures. It causes the loop to immediately jump to the next iteration of the loop. Okay, so now we can start coding this. So if I put in int square brackets and then say numbers and then equals curly braces, and then we can put in a few numbers just like 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, and then we can close that off, move on to the next line, which will be use another for statement, so an advanced for loop. Int x and then your colon and then numbers and then curly braces. Move on to the next line and type in if x equals or equals 30, curly braces again, and then type in continue. After this we can just say system out print and see what happens. So sys out control space and then put in x inside this, and then we can now run and execute this and see what actually happens. Save this. We can now run and execute the program to see what it gives us. So we have 10, 20, and then 30 has been missed, and then we've jumped immediately to 40 and 50. So if I change this to 20, run and execute that again, so we get 10, 20 is missed because it's jumped from 10 all the way to 30. And that's what happens when you use the continue keyword. In a for loop, the continue keyword causes flow of control to immediately jump from one place to another. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.